Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your Mac OS X operating system. So the prerequisite of installing NetBeans IDE is to have Java installed on your Mac OS X operating system. So first you need to make sure that you have already installed Java on your Mac operating system. Now the simple check to test that Java is already installed is by going to the system preferences. So just click this icon, which is for system preferences, or just go at the top and click on the Apple icon, and then you can open the system preferences from there also. Now in the system preferences you will be able to see this kind of Java icon, and this means that Java is already installed on your Mac operating system. And if it's not, you need to install it first and then follow this video to install NetBeans. Now I have already made a video on how to install Java on your Mac, so just watch that video and then you can follow this video. Okay, so first install Java, and once you are done with this, we are ready to install NetBeans. So to install NetBeans, just open your favorite browser and search for download NetBeans, and the first link which will appear here will be from netbeans.org/downloads. Okay, so netbeans.org/downloads, just click this link and then you will be able to see all the downloads available for your Mac operating system. So you can see there are different versions or different types of NetBeans IDE you can download with different features. So you have the NetBeans IDE with Java SE support or Java EE support, or if you just want to develop some HTML and JavaScript code, you can just download this version, or NetBeans for PHP, or NetBeans for C++ and C only. Or if you're not sure and if you want to download this NetBeans IDE for all the languages supported, then you can choose the last option, right? So it includes everything, including C++, PHP, HTML, Java EE and Java SE. So if you're not sure, just click the last option, which is for all languages which NetBeans support. And you can see the size of this file will be 277 megabyte, right? And you can see the platform here is OS X. So if it's not automatically chosen, you just need to choose it from here, OS X, and then click this download button. Now because it's around 277 megabytes, it's going to take a few seconds to few minutes depending upon the speed of your internet. So I'm going to pause the video and once this .dmg file is downloaded, we are going to see how to install it, and we will also see how we can write our first Java code with this NetBeans IDE. So the download of this DMG file is complete, so you just need to double click on this DMG file wherever you have downloaded it, and I'm going to minimize this browser so we can see it in a better way. So it's going to open this kind of window for you, right? So it's going to open this window, and there is one icon here which is for NetBeans 8 point whatever version you have downloaded .pkg file. So what you need to do is you just need to double click on this pkg file, which is going to start the NetBeans installer for you. Okay, and for the first time it will say this package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. So you can just press continue here, and then you just need to press continue button here on this install NetBeans window. So just press continue once again, and now the second step is to read the license terms and condition and agree with them. So just see the license terms and condition and then click continue, and then you just need to click agree, and then the installation step will come. So it says standard install on Macintosh HD, and you just need to click install here, right? And here you just need to give your Mac OS X password. So this is the password for your computer. Whatever is the password of your computer, you just need to give it, and then press install software, which is going to start installing NetBeans on your Mac operating system. It's going to take few seconds to install this IDE, and once it's installed, we are going to see how we can run it. Okay, and in the end you will be able to see this message which says the installation was successful. So NetBeans IDE is successfully installed on your Mac OS X operating system, and now we need to run it. So I'm going to close these windows here, and I can go to the launchpad. I can click the launchpad and search for NetBeans. I can see directly NetBeans icon here, but if you don't see this NetBeans icon, then you can search for NetBeans and you will be able to find it, you see. And you just need to double click NetBeans from here, and it's going to start NetBeans for the first time, and you can see NetBeans has been started. And this is how NetBeans looks on your Mac OS X operating system, right? So let's create our first Java application using NetBeans. So I'm going to just go to file here. So go at the top and click file, and then click new project. And in here we are going to create the Java application. So in the category, choose Java, and then in the project use the Java application. Okay, so Java and Java application, and then click next, and it's going to activate the Java SE. And once it's done, you can give the name to your Java project. For example, this is our Hello World project, so I'm going to name it as Hello World, and this is the location where you can save your project. By default it's user / whatever is your username / NetBeans project, and if you want to change it, you can browse the directory in which you want to save your project. I will leave it as default because it's our first Hello World project, and then the project folder is this one. I will leave it as default also. And then in the next step, you can see use dedicated folder for storing libraries. We don't need it. And then the last option here says create main class, right? So we need the main class for this, so leave this as checked, and we just need to click finish here. It's going to create our project, and once the project is created, we will be able to see our project. So our project has been created, you can see, and I can see this hello world.java here, and this is our project. So you can just open it. It contains source, packages directory, and the libraries directory here. So here is your hello world package, and in the hello world package you have this hello world.java file which is opened here, right? And this has already created a hello world class for us, and it has already created this public static void main method for us, right? If you know, Java is all about classes, and main method is the main entry point for your program. So let's print something. Let's say we want to print hello world. So I'm going to just write system.out.println. Okay, so just write print ln for print line, right? And in the brackets you just need to give double quotes, and then you can just write hello world. Okay, and then save your program by pressing this save button, right? And in order to run it, you can run it from here by clicking this green button. And before running, you just need to build your program, and this is the icon for building your project, right? You can also press F11 to build your project. And if you go to your project and right click on your Java file, then also you can run this file from here. Okay, so first I'm going to click this button, which is for building the project, which is this hammer button, and it's going to build the project. And once the project is built, we are going to just run it. Okay, so let's run it. So I'm going to just press this green button to run the project. It's going to print hello world for us. You can see here, right? Now the short form of writing this sys out print line is, you can just write s out and then press tab key. So just press tab key and it's going to automatically make this method for you, right? And you can just write hello world again and then save your program by pressing this button and run it again, for example, and once again it prints hello world again. Okay, so in this way you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your Mac OS X operating system and run your first Java program on NetBeans IDE. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.